How young are you when you first imagine yourself driving a vehicle? Whether it's a tank, a truck, or a car? 5, 6, or 7 years old? Now, ask yourself again. How old are you when you first convince yourself that you really want a car? 18, 21, or 25? Why is that? Is it your long and hard commute to work? Is it the COVID-19 pandemic? Is it your little child that needs a comfortable ride? Or a sick family member? Or a peer pressure from your batchmate or co-worker? We have long and countless reasons. Of course, most of us are secretly dreaming about driving his or her own car someday. I've been there, and some may argue that it will take a leap of faith, but I tell you right now, owning a car requires more than a leap of faith. And it's very, very important to count the cost first. Hi, I'm Chan, and I love cars, basketball, and music, but I'm also an advocate of good financial health. I'm an accountant by profession, and I'm hoping that you will be financially informed first before deciding to purchase that shiny brand new car you've been praying for quite some time. But before we start the discussion, eto muna. You're watching this video because you're a potential car buyer and curious about the real cost of owning one. Or you're an existing car owner and you want to compare your monthly expenses with mine. Either way, this is a good opportunity to learn, revisit, and ask yourself if you're ready to make that next big decision. Whether to buy or not to buy that brand new car. So, ito yung magiging content ng vlog. I will identify various car models within the same price range para mas marami sa atin yung makarelate dun sa discussion. Then, I will itemize yung mga expenses based on different sources and based na rin yung sa actual experience ko. Tapos, I will explain paano ako nag-come up and how I computed each expenses and paano nyo may estimate yung sa inyo para magsakto dun sa specific case nyo. Then, I will recap everything para magkaroon kayo ng idea at magkano ba talaga yung monthly and yearly expenses ng sasakyan. Then, sa bandang huli, makikita nyo rin ano ba yung mga hindi usual car expenses na dapat ay paghandaan din natin para ma-include natin dun sa budget kasi kadalasan na-ignore natin to at nagkakagulatan na lang once na dumating na itong mga expenses na to. And later, I will give you yung Excel file na ginamit ko para mag-come up dun sa budget. So, let's start na! So, ito yung siyam na sedan na pasok sa price range ng pag-uusapan natin today. Yung picture na nakikita nyo may not the actual variant na included sa 848,000 to 898,000 peso price range ang discussion natin today. Some are top of the line, some are mid-variant, and some are entry-level. But we will focus for the purposes of computation sa 2021 Honda City 1.5S CVT. Yung SRP ng 2021 Honda City 1.5S CVT is around 878,000 pesos. Based sa agent, ang initial down payment is around 128,000 pesos tapos meron siyang monthly payment na 17,716 pesos. Yung down payment and monthly amortization ay depende sa dealership or sa bangko na mag-take ng loan nyo. Ang general rule, mas malaki yung down payment na ilalabas mo, mas mababa naman yung succeeding monthly payments ng sasakyan. So sa case ng Honda City, 17,716 pesos yung monthly. So ang common question, magkano ba dapat yung income ko para ma-approve ako ng bank? So based sa research ko, usually 35 to 40% ng income mo dapat ma-cover yung monthly amortization. So yung 17,000 pesos, i-divide natin ng 35%. So yung kalalabasan niya is around 50,617 pesos. Yun yung should be gross income mo. Again, iba't ibang bangko, iba't ibang policy. So estimate lamang to. So another question is, paano kung mababa sa 50,000 pesos yung income ko pero gusto ko pa rin mag-avail ng Honda City 2021? So dito, papasok yung co-maker and collateral. Next expense ay gasoline. So dito, I computed an average of 1,000 kilometers per month at 10 kilometer per liter na konsumo. Tapos yung price na ginamit ko is 50 pesos per liter. Ito yung usual price sa Metro Manila. So pwede mo siyang i-adjust based dun sa estimated kilometers na itatakbo na sasakyan mo kada buwan. So depende, pwedeng mas mababa sa 1,000 or mas mataas. So yung konsumo naman, depende rin. Yung iba, more on expressway, mas matipid sa gasolina. Yung sasakyan, mas maraming natatakbo. So they can go as high as 15 kilometers per liter. Pero kung more on city driving ka naman, as low as 8 or 9 kilometers per liter. Tapos yung presyo ng gasolina, depende rin sa location mo. Kasi meron mga location like some areas in Cavite na 8 to 10 pesos na mas mababa yung presyo ng gasolina. So based on that, you can adjust your expense based dun sa mga parameters na nabanggit. Parking, your next expense natin. Fortunately, walang bayad yung parking sa pinagkatrabahuhan ko. So wala akong parking expense every month. Pero yung iba sa inyo, possible na need nyong magbayad ng parking. I estimate 22 working days per month. Tapos 150 pesos na all day parking. So kapag multiply natin yon, ang lalabas is 3,300 pesos na parking fee every month. Sa office pa lang yon. So kung lalabas kayo kapag weekend para mag-mall, so ang estimate ko 50 pesos per visit, so 200 pesos a month yung nagiging expense nyo. So yung total is around 3,500 pesos parking fee every month. Toll fee. So nagkatrabaho ako sa Muntinlupa City area, then nangagaling ako sa Carmona, Cavite. So yung monthly toll fee ko na related sa trabaho is around 2,398 pesos. So from Carmona exit to Philinvest, dun pauwi naman is from Sukat. Tapos labas ko ulit ng Carmona. Tapos kapag gusto kong mag-mall sa weekend, I have to pay around 280 pesos pa rin for 4 weekends. So yung total, inaabot siya by almost 2,700 pesos a month. So kung manggagaling ka sa Calamba, papunta kang Alabang area via Philinvest, ang babayaran mo is around 91 pesos. One way pa lang yon. So kung magmamakati ka naman via Skyway, 260 pesos. So kung hindi naman, 214 pesos. Again, one way pa lang yon. So dodoblehin mo yon and then you will multiply it kung ilang beses ka papasok sa opisina kada buwan. So sobrang laki niyan guys. So i-compute nyo mabuti kasi it may ruin your budget. For the car wash, 120 pesos yung presyohan dito sa amin. So 4 times a month. So 480 pesos car wash expense per month. PMS, meron tong table, papakita natin yung recap later. So from 11,577 up to 19,425 pesos per year na cost based to dun sa Honda website. Pero alam naman natin na possible na mababa yung quotation dun. So nag-add ako ng 2,000 pesos na allowance per visit dun sa PMS. So twice yung PMS a year. So for other brand, you may refer dun sa mga forum or dun sa website ng kotse na bibilhin nyo. So dun yung tingnan magkano estimated PMS cost ng sasakyan. Yung LTO registration nagre-range from 2,000 to 2,500 pesos per year. So kung under bank ka, kadalasan yung first 3 years libre na yon. So mag-start ka magbayad on the 4th year nung sasakyan. For the tires, kadalasan pinapalitan natin to every 2 to 3 years. Pero syempre depende pa rin dun sa paraan ng paggamit natin ng sasakyan. Minsan mas mabilis, minsan pwedeng ma-extend pa ng konti. So pag pinalitan natin to kadalasan by pairs para pantay yung takbo ng sasakyan. So, 2 gulong every 2 to 3 years. So, around 8,000 pesos yung gastos. Battery. So, pinapalitan din natin to kadalasan every 2 years. So, yung cost niya around 5,000 pesos per replacement. Comprehensive car insurance. So, usually, kung under bank ka, free yung first year. Mag-start ka magbayad on the second year, pero you have to take note na bumababa yung premium nito per year dahil dun sa concept ng depreciation. So separate topic yon, hindi natin siya pag-uusapan today. Pero for this model, di sa second year niya, around 15,000, then the third, 13,500, 11,500, 10,000, and so on and so forth. Ang assumption nun, wala kang bangga, wala kang kinlaim dun sa insurance. In case meron nangyari na nakabangga ka or may kailangan ayusin na kinlaim mo, yun, pwedeng tumaas yung premium mo ng insurance. So here's the recap nung diniscuss ko kanina. So nalagay ko dyan yung average monthly expense. So andyan yung car loan payment, gasoline, parking, toll fee, and car wash. Yan kasi yung usual na car expense per month. Then nilagay ko naman dyan yung other expenses na kung saan yearly natin binabayaran or pwedeng every 2 years or 3 years. So sa year 1, may cash out ka na 128,000 plus yung yearly expense ng kotse. So around 496,000 pesos yung ilalabas mong pera for the first year alone. Then yung mga succeeding, more or less 400,000 pa rin yung pera na ilalabas nyo. So if you're wondering, magkano ba talaga yung gastos kada buwan sa sasakyan? So around 29,000 to 33,000 pesos a year yung mahagastos mo kada buwan. Ang assumption dyan is ginawa nating monthly yung mga yearly expenses para mas magaan natin siyang mabayaran. So kung gusto niyo ng copy ng Excel file para ma-update nyo based dun sa requirement na meron kayo, kunyari yung toll fee nyo, iba yung ruta mo, so mas mataas or mas mababa, yun, I can send it to you via email just like our Facebook page, Unlimited Life, then message me there para ma-send ko yung Excel file. Walang bayad doon kasi ang gusto naman natin dito is matuto tayong lahat at makapag-decide tayo ng maayos kung bibili ba tayo o hindi ng sasakyan. Unfortunately, meron pang other car-related costs na hindi natin nabanggit like dashcam, around 4,000 pesos yung pinakamura, kasama na yung SD card, early warning device na standard, around 1,000 pesos, window tint, ceramic coating, around 10,000 pesos, various cleaning kits, siguro 1,500 okay na, rain or door visor, seat cover, steering wheel cover, car floor mats, trunk mat, quality car cover, towing fee, in case na kinailangan natin yung participation fee ng repair sa insurance at marami pang iba guys. So ang daming other car related costs pa na possible na hindi natin nabanggit. To conclude, for this car with SRP of 878,000 pesos, you need to have a monthly income around 50,000 pesos a month for your loan to be approved. And you will spend around 29,000 to 33,000 a month to be able to use the car. To tell you honestly, I don't think you can afford this car if your income is just around 50,000 pesos kasi you have to pay your house rent or mortgage, you have to buy your food and clothing. If you have kids, then you have to provide for milk, vitamins, tuition fee, etc. Money will be very tight, so I don't know, I guess you'll need around at least 70,000 para di ka naman hirap na hirap at stress na stress sa dami ng bayarin. This video is not intended to discourage you sa pagbili ng brand new car. The goal of this vlog is to help you decide wisely based on best possible information available. Yes, it's a big decision and you have to take your time. Huwag kang ma-pressure, huwag kang magmadali. Revisit your budget and identify where can we cut some expenses to improve our cash flow. And malay mo, kaya mo naman pala talaga. So that's it. Medyo napahaba tayo today but I'm hoping that you learn something na makakatulong sa big decision na gagawin mo. Ipasok sa budget yung computation natin. Well, congratulations sa future car mo. Again, please like and subscribe to our channel for more quality and detailed content. And like our new Facebook page as well. Next week, how to maximize our fuel economy tayo. G. Okay sa'yo? Alright, thank you. Ingat.